So I'm just at the Blacksmith shop, which is at the QVMag, so Launceston Museum and Gallery, and it's totally worth coming here. It's inside is fantastic for kids, and there's a section that's got a really nice variation of stuff to look at, so like prehistoric animals and some very old rocks, and then stuff from like the 1900s, 1800s, stuff I'm much more interested in. And then out the back is the Blacksmith shop, and just look at this place. It's fascinating. Apparently the only one of its kind, still kind of left as it was, and I think they made everything for the railways here. It's not totally clear, like each machine is explained, but how they kind of connect to the railways and what they needed a hammer that big for. That's a big hammer. Isn't totally explained, but it's wonderful just to kind of walk around, and it's almost like they just dropped tools and walked out, and then everything just went a little bit rusty. But as you kind of walk around, you can hear, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it sounds like they're all still working here. It sounds like someone's welding just over here somewhere. I'm going to kind of pop around the corner and spot him. He stopped. But it looks like they made everything for the carriages, the bogies, and maybe even railways themselves. Like there's some giant pulleys, giant rollers here, and big cranes. So it's fascinating, and all of it's worth a visit and free. And inside is very child friendly, except if you've got a screecher like me, maybe fill their belly before you